Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the SkySafari 7 Pro app, a powerful astronomy tool for both amateur and serious stargazers. SkySafari 7 Pro offers detailed simulations of the night sky with a massive database of stars, galaxies, and solar system objects. The app provides an interactive planetarium where users can explore celestial bodies with accuracy and ease. It includes features like augmented reality mode, telescope control for compatible devices, and tools for planning and logging observations. The interface is user-friendly and visually appealing, making it accessible for beginners while offering depth for advanced users. One of the strengths of SkySafari 7 Pro is its ability to connect with Wi-Fi-enabled telescopes, allowing precise control and alignment. The augmented reality feature helps users identify stars and constellations by overlaying them on the live sky view through the device camera. Observation logging and backup with cloud storage add value for regular users who track their sessions. On the downside, the app's extensive features and detailed data can be overwhelming for new or casual users who might find it complex to navigate. The learning curve is steep if you want to use all the advanced tools effectively. The app requires a device with decent processing power, so older or lower-end devices may experience lag or crashes. Additionally, SkySafari 7 Pro is a paid app with a one-time cost that might not fit all budgets. Some users report occasional bugs or glitches, although updates frequently address these issues. Overall, SkySafari 7 Pro is worth it for those serious about astronomy who want a comprehensive mobile tool for sky observation and telescope control. It offers excellent educational value and deep insights into the universe's wonders. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please refer to the email in the description.